So if the coax cable you're using is too short, you can use as a temporary repair speaker cable. Now I'm going to trim back the insulation to reveal the core, and this needs to be on both of them obviously. So you remove the insulation on both of the wires, and when you've done that, you can then start work on the coax cable. You need to remove the outer insulation and then pull back the braid, and then you need to cut off the foil. The final part for this section is to remove the inner insulation so that you reveal the copper core. Now twist together the speaker cable with the inner core of the coax cable, noting which cable you're using from the speaker cable. Make sure it's the outer insulation isn't touching the inner insulation, and now you're going to use some black tape and cover it up, and then join in this is the earth section, the braid, join it together and then put tape. Now you can of course use waterproof tape for this if you want to. Now simply repeat for the other end and you've done it. Thank you for watching, and if you got value from this, then please share, like and subscribe.